Hello students, welcome to Breedmark Academy. Myself LS Nanda. Now in our previous year question series of JEE Main and JEE Advanced, this is the next problem that I am going to take today. It's a question based on the topic of permutations and combinations. It says there are 10 girls and 8 boys in a classroom including Mr. Ravi, Miss Rani and Miss Radha. A list of speakers consisting of 8 girls and 6 boys has to be prepared. Mr. Ravi refuses to speak if Miss Rani is a speaker. Miss Rani refuses to speak if Miss Radha is a speaker. Then the number of ways the list can be prepared is. Now students, in order to solve such kind of problems, the selection of right cases becomes very important. First of all, we will consider all the given conditions. The first condition is that we have to form a list of speakers in which there are 8 girls and 6 boys. Secondly, Mr. Ravi refuses to speak if Miss Rani is a speaker. And thirdly, Miss Rani refuses to speak if Miss Radha is a speaker. Now, when we look at the second and the third condition, it becomes very clear that our selection of cases will be mainly dependent on Miss Radha's presence as a speaker. So that means broadly, we will be having two cases. The first one is that when Radha is a speaker, and the second case will be when Radha is not a speaker, right? Now when Radha is a speaker, that means we have already included Radha in our list. So Rani will not be included. That is, Rani will be excluded. So out of the remaining 8 girls, now we have to select only 7, right? And since there is no restriction on boys, that means Ravi can be included. So it means out of the 8 boys, now we have to select 6 boys. So this comes to be 224. 8C7 into 8C6, right? Now when we consider the second case, when Radha is not a speaker, then there are 2 further sub cases in this particular case. And what are they? The first one is that when Radha is not a speaker, but Rani is a speaker. Right? Now when Rani is a speaker and Radha is not a speaker, so that means now this time out of the remaining 8 girls, again we have to select 7. Why 7? Because this time we have included Rani but excluded Radha. Fine. And since this time Rani is coming as a speaker, this clearly means that Ravi will not be included in the list. So that means out of the 8 boys, this 1 boy will be excluded. So now we have 7 boys, and out of these 7 boys, we have to select 6 boys. Fine. So this becomes 8 into 7 and this is 56. Right? Now students, we take the last case or the last sub case. What is that? In which both Radha and Rani are excluded. That means they are not included in the list. So now this time out of the remaining 8 girls, we have to select all the 8 girls. Fine. And out of the 8 boys, we have to select the 6 boys. Because since Radha and Rani are excluded, so this time Ravi can be included in the list. So now this is 8C6 only, which comes to be 28. Now students, just add all of them and this becomes your final answer. That is 224 plus 56 plus 28. So finally this becomes 308. So that means the option B is the correct one. Now students, next question I will be posting in tomorrow's video. Till then, goodbye. Keep watching my videos and enhance your knowledge. Thanks.